If you want to run a script every time that you start Max, you put it in the startup directory, which is a subdirectory of the scripts directory. And this is a common way to install plugins. So for example, I'm going to go to File and Open Script. It takes me to the scripts directory, and here's Startup under that. Double click on that, and I happen to have two Max script files here. One for the pen attribute holder and one for rigging tools. So let's just quickly look at these. I'm going to open the rigging tools file first. So I'm not going to go into the details of this, but this is a plugin. It goes in the geometry category. It's called Rig Tools, and it's in the rigging tools category. So let's get out of that, and let's just go to the Create panel. We're already in the geometry category. Here we have rigging tools. So that script runs every time that I start Max, and it creates this capability that you see here. Let's take a look at the other one. Pen attribute holder 2.06. Again, I'm not going to look at all this code, but it's a plugin, and it's a modifier called Pen Attribute Holder 2. So, going to go back to Standard Primitives. Just create a sphere just to have something to add a modifier to. Go to Modifiers. And here it is, Pen Attribute Holder 2. So I just applied that. So again, that script runs every time I start Max, and it creates the capability that you see right here. So if you or someone else uses Max script to create a capability that you'd like to have available every time that you run Max, put the Max script file in the startup directory, and that code will run when you start Max.